With both higher and higher quality standards and the possibility to best exploit the potentialities of the machine tools, lead the users to improve their performances. In the machining of automatic turns, the cutting oil is polluted by particles, which worsen and reduce its performances and its operative life. This special machining produces a high amount of polluting particles, even if it is carried out by machines used to remove chips, especially when chips are centrifuged. It is difficult to remove them using traditional filtration systems, including highly efficient centrifuges. The concentration of fine dust in the oil increases step by step, reducing its performance and increasing the wear of machines and tools, also worsening the quality of the production. COMAT's superfiltration technology can provide a good answer to that problem. Superfiltration actually offers the best relationship between price and quality through the use of filter aid, mineral or vegetal, if compared to other traditional systems, centrifuges, paper filters. These techniques are not available to filter as efficiently as the superfiltration. Our superfiltration systems can trap all the polluting particles bigger than 2 to 3 microns, maintaining that condition for the whole filtration cycle. The main advantages you can get through our systems are a best relationship between quality and filtration cost, standardization of the roughness and of the tolerance of machine pieces, reduction of the tool wear and of the resharpening of them, reduction of the wear of machine tools, sparing of cutting oil and of discharge costs, reduction of the maintenance and cleaning of machines, of their equipment and tanks. The highest flexibility in plant layout through modular systems. Today, more than 20,000 machine tools from the main manufacturers use COMAT's superfiltration system.